Alright, hello, how's it going? So, I got music working. Let me just fire this up. How's that going? It's a bit loud, isn't it? But yeah, we have music and sound effects. And yes, I'm using the Alice music and sound effects, why not? Let me just... And it's working, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I want to briefly talk about wave formats. This is sort of a nightmare. So let's say we have an audio format and we're loading it in. Here is the PCM format. We have a header which takes up roughly the first... Oh, we can see here, roughly the first 44 bytes, which has various bits of information. But I was having trouble, I was fine with sound effects, but then loading in music, I was having real issues. Compare the following two files. A lot of fun, right? I did, yeah, hey, it's not glamorous, but this adventure, this file loads. It loads just fine. And this temp, this file, will not load, even though, if we look at the data, the ones and zeros, it is the same music track. What's the difference between these? Well, when I was loading in this temp, it was saying it couldn't find the data tag. However, if I were to look along, we can very clearly see the data tag is in the file. So, what's the difference? Well, it turns out the difference is this Bext header. With WAV formats, the headers are all based around like 4 bytes at a time, 4 characters at a time. So we get like riff, WAV, data, and Bext. And what this came down to, when it came time to export these files, because I was working originally with MP3 files, if we go to render them, there's this little option down here, write BWF Bext chunk, and that was on, and that was what was causing that chunk to be there, and that was throwing the loader off. So fun times there, fun times spotting that. By the way, that BWF Bext chunk is something called the broadcast wave format, and it's exactly the same as everything else. The only difference is there's this little extra amount of metadata. So if we were to open up other section, again, a lot of this is unprintable, but we can see, we can see the DAW which generated it and the date at which it was produced. So yeah, there's some extra stuff in there, but there we have it. Look, it's not too exciting. It's super exciting for me because now I've got it working. But yeah, hey, just another day, another bit of progress, and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye.